Hey there, health enthusiasts! Ready to discover some amazing low-calorie foods that can transform your diet? I've got a list of 25 ridiculously low-calorie foods that'll help you stay full and satisfied without packing on the pounds. Let's dive right in. First up, we have cucumbers. Super refreshing and only 16 calories per cup. These are perfect for salads or just as a crunchy snack. Next, we have strawberries. Not only are they sweet and delicious, but they're just 49 calories per cup. Great for desserts or as a topping for your breakfast yogurt. If you love leafy greens, spinach is your best friend. With just 7 calories per cup, it's a nutrient powerhouse. And of course, we can't forget about celery. Only 6 calories per stalk, it's perfect for dipping into hummus or peanut butter. How about some radishes? At only 19 calories per cup, they're great for adding a peppery crunch to your meals. And for soup lovers, tomatoes are a must. With just 22 calories per cup, they're incredibly versatile and tasty. Let's talk about some fruits. Grapefruit is a fantastic choice at just 52 calories per half fruit. It's perfect for breakfast or as a refreshing snack. Watermelon is another low-calorie wonder, only 46 calories per cup and super hydrating. Don't overlook mushrooms either. With just 15 calories per cup, they're great for adding umami flavor to any dish. And zucchini, only 19 calories per cup, is perfect for spiralizing into noodles or adding to stir-fries. Wrapping up with asparagus, at just 27 calories per cup, it's delicious roasted or steamed. And last but not least, cauliflower. Only 25 calories per cup and incredibly versatile. Think cauliflower rice or mash. There you have it. 25 low-calorie foods to keep you on track and feeling great. If you enjoyed this list, hit that like button and subscribe for more health tips. Stay healthy and see you next time.